If your LG AC just flashed an error and stopped cooling, don't panic. I'll decode the most common LG error codes and give you a quick code to fix in 3 steps. First, how to see the code. Most LG splits show it on the indoor display or the remote. If it cycles too fast, hit power off, then on, and watch the display. Got it? Cool. Code FL. Drain full or high water level. Step 1. Check the drain line. If the pan is full or it's dripping, the drain may be clogged. Clear the end outside. Look for algae or kinks. Step 2. Power off for 2 minutes, then back on. Listen for the condensate pump if you have one. Step 3. If water returns within an hour, book a pro for pan cleaning or pump replacement. Code F1, also a drain or water level alert. Same first checks. Inspect the drain hose, clear the outside end, and remove any algae or kinks. Power off for 2 minutes, then back on, and listen for the pump. If water returns, schedule pan cleaning or pump replacement. Code CH05, indoor-outdoor communication error. Step 1. Flip the breaker off for 5 minutes to fully discharge the boards, then back on. Step 2. Make sure the outdoor unit has power and the service switch isn't off. Check any visible low-voltage cable for damage. Do not open panels. Step 3. If it returns, you need a tech to test the COM cable and boards. Code CH10, indoor fan issue. Step 1. With power off, open the front filter cover. Clean the filters. Ensure nothing blocks the blower. Step 2. Power on. If the fan stutters or squeals, that's a motor or bearing sign. Step 3. Schedule service for motor or control replacement. Code CH21, compressor overcurrent. Step 1. Raise the set point 2 tower 3 degree or 1 to 2 degree for 10 minutes to reduce load. Step 2. Check airflow and clean filters. Open supply louvers. Clear outdoor fins with a soft brush. Step 3. If CH21 repeats, stop running it and call a pro. It could be a failing compressor or inverter module. Code CH32, high pressure. Code CH33, low pressure. Step 1. Inspect airflow. Indoor filters, curtains, and doors. The outdoor coil must breathe on all sides. Step 2. Reset power, then test on cool mode and medium fan. Step 3. Recurring pressure faults need gauges. Have a licensed tech check refrigerant charge and coils. Code CH38, low refrigerant detection. Step 1. Don't keep running it. It can damage the compressor. Step 2. Clean filters and confirm outdoor airflow. Step 3. Book refrigerant diagnostics and a leak check. Top-ups without finding the leak are only a temporary band-aid. Quick resets that help. Full breaker reset. Clean filters. Clear drain. Clear outdoor coils, and make sure your set point isn't extreme. Call immediately if there's water inside. A burning smell, a tripping breaker, or any code that returns after a clean and reset. Want this handled for you? Tap Urban Service Company. Tell us your code, model, and what you've tried. I'll get you back to cool without the guesswork. Stay cool and keep those filters clean.